Alright guys, listen up. Prep talk. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna steal the eggs. Go! Oh. Damn.
I said I got
Where
this.
the eggs at? Where the eggs at? Oh, I see one.
Watch out!
Oh! I can't pick it up, guys.
Oh, hey, Dad.
What the fuck?
Oh, what the? Why is there two birds here?
Operation Chicken. Ow! Hey!
That's
Guys,
Where are the other
I've been
eggs
locked
at,
up.
though?
Eric, you're our last hope.
I'm about to become a chicken wing.
Look,
Bro's
I think he
puppy
just
died.
died.
What?
guys, I got this, I got this.
There's a puppy
What?
died.
I win, invincible!
Are you with me? Or are you not?
The president's been shot! The president's been shot!
Get down, Mr.
What is
President!
that? Look out! It's a box!
He's smoking a
Bazooka.
fat doobie. Fat blunt, if you will.
If you will.
Alright. Anyways.
Fat boy, if you will.
Come on, Keegan!
Don't do it!
Over here.
Ah, that's insane. That's
Infiltrating
insane.
the base of operations.
Guys? Oh, hey, man.
Just stay mad, bro.
Bro, literally.
Who is unlocking them?
No, into the trap is crazy. Eric.
Oh shit! I can't!
Come on! Come on!
Eric, sacrifices must be made. Eric, sacrifices must be made.
How
Go
did he get
now.
out?
Go now!
I grabbed you!
Alina, my ability makes it so you can't silence your ability.
I'm gonna say you, Eric. I tried to shoot her, but she got you anyway. Okay, this doesn't work. My
Guys,
ability just didn't work, bro. Twice now, it just didn't work.
guys, what the signal?
That is shat, Eric.
One egg.
Eric, do your due diligence, bro. Do your due diligence. Guys, eggs are being extracted.
Alina, what
I
are you...
got two big baddies on my
I
ass.
clicked R, but for some reason,
Hey, fellas.
Oh.
Damn!
Uh,
Over here, gang. Over here is our exit.
I can see you.
no, you can't.
Don't let Eric go get caught, bro.
Oh, man. Oh, ooh.
Get me up there.
Oh!
Wait, Alina literally called it. Hey!
You know there's multiple exits, right?
No, don't do this. No.
Go, Kendrick, go!
Eric, get fly!
Pick it, pick it, pick it, pick it!
Well, I'm just standing here.
My keyboard disconnected. I'm not even kidding. My keyboard disconnected.
This.
No.
Don't mind me.
Get your on, Bucko. Oh no.
I knew it wasn't you. It just picked up the other one.
Oh, what the? Look where I landed though. Oh my god!
No. Nope.
Oh, what the?
I stunned him. I stunned him.
Throw.
Ian, I see you.
I'll see you.
Were you going upstairs?
Pretty please. Oh!
Chicken
Uh,
throw.
Wow, you got them both out because of Eric. This timing was crazy.
You know.
No, bitch.
Oh, and it turned around immediately.
How would he have noticed?
Oh.
It makes a noise.
Oh.
Go. I wouldn't go that way.
Shit, man.
Oh, angles. Oh. Wait, lad, good. Oh.
No.
Suck my dick, pussy. Rio, this gas one. Look, come here, yes.
I just got getting kidnapped.
Hey.
Go into that room. There's an egg waiting for you.
Why
Like,
the
right
fuck
past
is
the
so
window.
long?
Oh no.
This.
Yo, guys, he's distracted.
For releasing? That ain't me, bro. I promise. No, that ain't me. Oh. What?
Missing one egg.
Where are these other eggs at, bro?
There's some outside the window already. Like, ready.
Fudge. Buddy. I'm stuck.
Who else was out there?
I got this.
Getting in my way, my head.
This is
Bro,
my.
bitch.
What the
The
frick?
puppy guard is crazy.
I wasn't even puppy guarding. I was
The
doing an edit
puppy
with
guard
them.
is
I
right.
got
right.
this.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, nice.
That's the one for me. I killed Eric and Alina and Kendra.